A very good afternoon to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Galgottias University and currently working as a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm going to talk about trademark and the trademark laws in India. So let us first understand what is a trademark. A trademark is one of the elements of intellectual property right, and it is represented by the symbol capital T and capital M, or a mark which is a distinctive sign or an indicator of some kind which is used by an individual, business organization, or any other legal entity to identify uniquely the source of its products or any services which that company or that individual provide to its consumers, and moreover to distinguish its products or services from those of other entities. So basically, trademark is a name, phrase, word, logo, symbol, design, image, or a combination of all these elements. There is also a range of non-conventional trademarks comprising marks which do not fall into standard categories. Now let us know what are the rights and what are the remedies of a trademark owner. The owner of a registered trademark may commence legal proceedings for trademark infringement to prevent unauthorized use of that trademark. The owner of a common law trademark may also file suit, but an unregistered mark may be protectable only within the geographical area within which it has been used or in geographical areas into which it may be reasonably expected to expand. So, what is this trademark infringement? Trademark infringement is basically a violation of the exclusive rights attaching to a trademark without the authorization of the trademark owner or any licenses, provided that such authorization was within the scope of the license. Infringement may occur when now that one party is the infringer, who uses a trademark which is identical or confusingly similar to a trademark owned by another party in relation to products or services which are identical or similar to the products or services which the registration covers. An owner of a trademark may commence legal proceedings against a party which infringes its registration. So, what are the trademark laws in India? The Indian law of trademarks is enshrined in the New Trademarks Act of 1999, which came into force from September 15th of 2003. The old Trade and Merchandise Marks Act of 1958 was repealed at the same time. The new Trademarks Act of 1999 is in line with the World Trade Organization recommendations and is in conformity with the TRIPS agreement to which India is also a signatory. So, in addition to the registering of their trademarks in India, business need to adopt other strategies for protecting their trademarks. Some of them are as follows. Get trademark searches conducted in the Indian Trademarks Registry in the classes that are of interest to you, including the ancillary classes. Then second, get common law searches. This includes the internet, market surveys, yellow pages and directories conducted to ascertain whether third parties are using your trademarks, and if so, then the extent of such use. Third is, based on this information and after seeking the legal counsel's opinion, decide if the trademark is available for use or not. Then, should the trademark be available for use, immediately apply for the registration. The rights holder should also consider hiring a watching service to monitor the trademark journals in order to alert them to any publicized deceptively similar trademarks or descriptive trademarks that might be of concern. Should the right holder own a trademark that has been used and has acquired goodwill and reputation? It is advisable that along with filing of the trademark application in India, they should also make press releases, publish cautionary notices, and advertise the mark to ensure that the relevant section of the public is aware that they are entering the Indian market and are protecting their trademark from any kind of third-party violation. The rights holder should also take immediate steps to register their domain names, including country coded top level domain names in India. As there have been many instances of third parties registering domains for certain well known marks with the intention of extracting money by selling these domain names to the rights holder. Should the rights holder discover that their trademark is being infringed, they should take immediate steps to protect their trademark, either by the means of filing oppositions, cancellations, conducting investigations, sending cease and notices, or initiating appropriate civil and criminal actions. So these are the steps which the businessman should opt in order to protect their infringement of trademark. You might have already been aware of like all the trademarks that are available in the market, like Parle-G and Godrej. They all have their own trademarks, but then there are companies who make or they develop the duplicate trademarks of all these branded companies. So that is infringement of trademark. In order to conclude, it can be drawn that Indian trademark law must be updated on frequently keeping in pace with the dynamic and new methods of trademark infringement. Both courts and enforcement authorities must be well equipped and be trained for efficient disposal of cases relating to intellectual property. So basically, trademark is a very significant part of the intellectual property, and in order to protect it, the companies must opt or must practice all the laws or all the steps that I have just stated above. So this was all about the trademark and its law in India. Thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. So if my video was really helpful and if you really liked it, then please like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LexClick for more upcoming such informative videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.